So I'm using Google Keep. To get there, you go over to where we found Google Docs before. Click on Keep. And as you can see, I have two little notes right here. First one's for my classwork. That's just to kind of help, like with EDCI, case homeworks are always due Sundays. For my econ, I have homework due at midnight tonight. Sociology, I have quizzes due tomorrow by 3. I need to watch quiz prep video for EDCI, and then I have some computer science homework as well. Then I also have my EDCI theme, which includes basically some general things that are important with my theme, which is in general just World War I technology. And I have a couple pictures up here. It shows like some of the weapons they use, the gas masks. There's a ship, and then I have this website open that just describes World War I technology. And I highlighted a couple of these things, and yeah.